Hi everyone, welcome back to Click Excel. Is your Excel formula not working? Showing text instead of result? Let's fix it in 30 seconds. This is the sample Excel sheet. When you enter the formula, it shows the like this, means text format. Result is not appearing. That means your cell is probably formatted as text. We need to change that one. How to do that? Select the cell, right click, there is the option format cells. Click on that, check under the category the format selected as text. We need to change that to the general and click on OK. After changing the cell format, again we need to enter the formula equals bracket, select the range, close bracket and press the enter. Another method is if you don't want to change the cell format but still you want to see the result, means you can do that. How? Let me change this to the text. Great answer. Enter the formula, open bracket, select the range, close bracket. Instead of pressing the enter key, just press Ctrl plus C. Formula result has been appeared. This is how you can solve your formula not working issue in Excel. And sometimes there will be minor issues like while entering you missed the brackets and given the extra space or some apostrophe is added to the formula, like that it will add. So check thoroughly while entering the formula. Now your Excel formula should work perfectly. Follow Click Excel for quick Excel problem fix. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.